How to fix Instagram not linking on TikTok profile. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open App Store on your device and make sure that both the TikTok and the Instagram apps are updated to their latest version. If not, then go ahead and update the apps further, and after updating, restart both the apps and try linking again. And if the issue is not fixed, then go back to your home screen and tap hold on the Instagram application and the TikTok application. Further, tap on the remove app option and then tap on the delete app option. Delete both the apps and then reinstall the apps from your app store and then log back in and try linking again. And if it is still not being linked, then log out of Instagram inside the Instagram app firstly. So open Instagram and tap on your profile icon on the bottom right of your screen and then tap on the three lines on the top right of your screen. Now, scroll down to the bottom and tap on the log out option. Next, open TikTok and tap on your profile icon on the bottom right of your screen and then tap on the three lines on the top right of your screen. Further, tap on the settings option and then tap on the log out option. Once logged out of both Instagram and TikTok, open TikTok and then tap on the edit profile option and then tap on the links option. Further, you will see the add Instagram option, so go ahead and tap on it and log in when prompted. Next, after linking, TikTok should show the Instagram icon or username on your profile. And if the login prompt does not show yet, then the next fix is open Instagram on your device and make sure that you are not using a business, professional, or creator settings, as this might cause glitches. So tap on your profile icon and then tap on the three lines on the top right of your screen. Further, scroll down to For Business and Tools and see if you are using the professional account. If yes, switch to personal account and then try linking again from TikTok. And these were a few fixes on how you can fix Instagram not linking on TikTok profile. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.